Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after we disassemble the engine, now we need to clean everything, degrease it, take everything on the crankcase because we need to paint them. So after cleaning the first half, we went back to the second one to remove this part. That is connected to the transmission that in the first video that we didn't take off. And when you remove this part, be careful because there's two pins. Make sure you don't lose them. After removing this part, now we have to clean it the same as the first one. So now we need to scuff everything on the engine because as you can see there's a little bit of white spots. These white spots are like corrosion, like because of humidity um and because also near the ocean. So these things, if you don't take care of the bike, like cleaning the bike from time to time, the paint will chip off, so and it will create like kind of salty powder. Don't eat it. But so we need to scuff it just to make everything smooth. So first I'm just scuffing it just to take the biggest part out of it, of the crankcase. So after the first scuff, I'm now gonna use a paint stripper just to take all the old paint. So I left it for like 3 hours. Then I came back and I'm just taking all the extra because I want to now to use a wire brush, steel wire brush, just to take all the extra paint. After that, I start to clean it just to see where I need to do more job and where it need to be scuffed and more paint to take out. So after I clean, I inspect, and there's a bit of rough spot that need to be sanded. So when I lay out the paint, everything looks smooth. So after I scuffed and sanding and I'm satisfied, now I need to clean the sides that there were gaskets. So when I clean everything, it's gonna be ready also for installation. So after finishing this side, now we're gonna finish the other side. So here you can see more what I was saying about the corrosion, that it completely destroyed the paint on the crankcase. And now we're gonna do the same step that we did with the first one. finally, after hours of sanding and checking everything is good, now we can start masking taping everything that doesn't need to be painted and getting ready for paint. So when I start masking tape the second case, I start notice that you will see right now that there's corrosion. So I send it again, and this is the paint that I used. So I didn't film it, but I send a lot more. And here's the result of painting. Sorry, as you can see, I'm doing everything in my room, so I had to go outside and paint them, and then I came inside. But this is the result. And now we need to masking tape the other side. So we received this package today, and I want to ask you guys, and I want you to put me in the comments for which bike is this part. Let me know. So let me know in the comment if you know the right answer. Okay, so something I forgot to mention. Before I always paint, you always need to rub it with alcohol or acetone, just to, because even if everything, we just clean everything, sometimes because our hands are greasy, you touch the part and the part will get like fingerprints, and when you paint, these things will show. So make sure you do everything and don't touch it. So I left the paint to dry for like a full day, and now we're gonna take it off, the masking tapes. So we're done now for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure hit like and subscribe, and see you next time.